In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix error code 6 on Roblox when playing on your PC. The first thing I suggest is checking your network connection. You'll need a strong Wi-Fi connection, but for the best results, I suggest having a wide internet connection. The next thing we can do is flush our DNS. To do this, open the Windows menu and type in command prompt. So now you need to press run as administrator. Now you'll need to type in ipconfig space / space flush DNS. Now you just need to press enter. You can now close out of this window. Now we're going to ensure that the Windows Defender or third-party antivirus software is not blocking Roblox from accessing the internet. So you need to open your settings menu and then go down to privacy and security. Now go to Windows Security. And now open Firewall and Network Protection. Allow an app through Firewall and search for Roblox. As you can see, my Roblox game client is ticked already, so if yours isn't, tick it and then press OK. So if all else fails and it's still not working, what we'll have to do is uninstall the app and then reinstall it. To do this, stay in your settings menu, go to apps, go to installed apps, and then search for Roblox. Press on the 3 dots, uninstall, and do this on all your Roblox apps. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful, and if it did work, please subscribe.